Amy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite hamburger patties. And it's super easy. I have 8 pounds of ground beef. And what I have done is pre-measured some spices. So what you will need is 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 tablespoons of chives, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, and then you also need 1/3 of a teaspoon of chipotle powder. Then to that I added 1/2 tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and I mixed it all in. And then I'm just gonna put that into my meat mixture. Then I pre-measured 1/8 of a cup of oil. I used olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you'd like. The next thing we're gonna add is 2 eggs. And then you're gonna add 1.5 cups of crushed crackers, or you can use 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. And then you're just gonna mix it. This recipe is so easy, and since I have 8 pounds of meat, this is gonna make quite a few hamburger patties that I can freeze and store for later, and then I have a quick, easy meal. So I'm just gonna mix my meat. After you've combined all of your ingredients into your beef, then you can start forming your patties. Okay, so I'm on my last hamburger patty, and I was able to make 25 hamburgers out of 8 pounds of meat. So now I'm just gonna pop it in the freezer overnight, and then I will put these patties into some freezer storage bags, and then I'll have some quick,